Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know, this is our second channel. Earlier many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR from class 6 to 12 Social Science videos were uploaded. And we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term 1 exam. As you requested sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam, so this channel is made by my team. And many videos of your term 2 syllabus were already uploaded, and some more videos are recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And we expect that all these teaching materials will be very helpful for all of you to do good in your term 2 exam. And we believe that you must have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapit channel along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, my team uploads every day many educational videos for your class 6 to 12 social science. And so if you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos. And along with that, as I tell that you should see all the videos till the end, so that you can understand the important information which I inform in between of the video. And you can help your friends also by sharing the important videos with your friends, and along with that you can share the channel's videos, and you can inform them to subscribe the channel, so that it will be very helpful for them also. And today my team is ready to record this video for term 2, for your term 2 class 10 history, that is making of a global world chapter, which is very important for your term 2. And the MCQ based question are prepared from each topic of this chapter, so you should practice this in a very proper way, so that you will able to answer this question. And as I hope you all are ready to answer this question. So as I tell in every class, you should sit with one notebook and copy, so that you can write the important information and along with the right answer of the MCQ based question. And you can inform me in the comment section, so that I will be very happy how much mark you got from the total questions. Okay, so shall we start now? So the first question of this class 10 term 2 history, making of a global world chapter, that is, what was the term used to describe Indian indentured labor? So the term which your options are porter, juggler, coolie and rickshaw puller. So the right answer of this question, the term we used to describe Indian indentured labor, that is porter. The right answer from the option which I tell, that is coolie. Okay, coolie is the term which is used for the Indian indentured labor. Moving to the next question, which country was a major supplier of wheat in the world market? Your options are Africa, Eastern Europe, North America and Asia. So the country which was a major supplier of wheat in the world market, that is Eastern Europe. Okay. Moving to the next question, which is considered a pioneer in the field of mass production of car? Your options are Henry Morton Stanley and Ebenezer Howard, Barry Parker and Henry Ford. So the right answer of this question is Henry Ford is considered a pioneer in the field of mass production of the car. Moving to the next question, when did the global agricultural economy start? Your options are 1894, 1892, 1890, 1891. So the right answer of this question is the global agricultural economy start in the year of 1890. Moving to the next question, what does IMF stand for? Your options are International Military Force, International Monetary Fund, International Indian Monetary Fund and Indian Monetary Force. So the right answer of this question, IMF stand for International Monetary Fund. Moving to the next question, what were America's original inhabitants known as? Your options are Indian Americans, American Indians and Red Indians and Native Indians. So America's original inhabitants known as American Indians. Moving to the next question, what was El Dorado? Your options are a favored city of gold, a famous dreamland for many, a city of tall buildings, a favored city of diamond. So the right answer of this question, El Dorado, was a favored city of gold. Moving to the next question, what proved a deadly killer for America's original inhabitants? Your options are Rinderpost, measles, tuberculosis and smallpox. So the right answer of this question, a deadly killer for the American original inhabitants, that is smallpox. Moving to the next question, name the two nations that were among the world's richest countries till the 18th century. Your options are North America and South America, China India, China Japan, and India Mexico. So the right answer of the two nations who were among the world's richest country till the 18th century, that was China and India. Moving to the next question, consumption of food rose in the late 18th century. Britain was due to death. Food prices fell, population grew, food prices increased, all of this. So the consumption of food rose in the late 18th century. Britain was due to food prices fell. Okay. Moving to the next question, the canal colonies were dash. Your options are the areas irrigated by the new canals, the areas having several dams, the colonies where poor people lived, the colonies where canal workers lived. So the right answer of this question, the canal colonies were the areas irrigated by the new canals. Moving toward the next question, Europeans found in dash in Africa an abundant labor force, a shortage labor, many deadly diseases, an acute shortage of electricity. So Europeans found a dash in Africa. The right answer is a shortage of labor. Moving to the next question, chutney music was popular in dash. Your options are Trinidad, Guyana, Suriname, and Trinidad and Guyana. So the chutney music was popular in Trinidad and Guyana. Moving to the next question, the First World War made the United States dash. Your options are an international debtor, an international creditor, a very poor country, a very powerful country. So the right answer of this question was the First World War made the United States an international creditor. Moving to the next question, Henry Ford was and dash. Your options are a well-known car manufacturer, well-known fighter in the First World War, and a great explorer and a great educationalist. So the right answer of this question, Henry Ford was a well-known car manufacturer. In India, moving to the next question, in India, the Great Depression proved less severe for dash. Rural people, factory workers, urban people, highly educated. So the right answer of this question is in India, the Great Depression proved less severe for urban people. Moving to the next question, the US became a colonial power in the late 1890s by copying some colonies earlier held by dash. France, Germany, Belgium, Spain. So the right answer of this question is the US became a colonial power in the late 1890s by occupying some colonies earlier held by Spain. Okay. Moving to the next question, which of the following doesn't comprises the Caribbean island? Your options are Mauritius, Suriname, Guyana, Trinidad. So the right answer of this question is Mauritius. Okay. Moving to the next question, the Bretton Woods twins commented financial operations in dash. Your options are 1945, 1946, 1947, and 1948. So the right answer of this question is the Bretton Woods twins commenced financial operations in dash. Right answer is 1947. Moving to the next question, John Maynard Keynes is a famous dash sociologist, economist, physicist, and banker. The right answer of this question is John Maynard Keynes is a famous economist. So student, these are some of the important MCQ based question of the class 10 history term 2 syllabus. The chapter name is the making of a global world, and we expect that this MCQ based question which are prepared from each topic of the chapter will be very helpful for all of you to do good in your term 2 board exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.